Good morning, Mulaski. I'm Ryan. Today is Wednesday, December 15th. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please be seated for 30 seconds of silence.
Girls, you have one final chance to try out for the basketball team. Tomorrow after school in the gym. Remember, you must have your athletic packet with you in order to try out. If you've already turned it in to Coach Foster or the front office, still come to tryouts. Any questions? Go see Mr. Foster in room 624.
Yu-Gi-Oh! And Pokemon card clubs this Thursday. You must bring your own deck of cards to participate.
Students, you are supposed to charge your Chromebook every night at home, but we know sometimes accidents happen and we forget. So we do offer 2 places here on campus in the morning before school to charge. In the cafeteria, you'll see several charging carts, or the 904 tech room. The charging carts are also available during lunch. Remember, it is your responsibility to stay with your Chromebook while it is charging. Easiest way to charge your Chromebook 100% is to do it at home every single night before you go to bed.
Thursdays we start our day with our house team and advisory period. Show your Mulaski house pride and wear your team colors every Thursday.
Which team will dominate the halls with their team colors?
We do not have a late bus today, so please make sure you get to your bus immediately after the 6th period bell.
Thank you for tuning today's MVP. Have a great day.